Good morning, students. Today's class based on decimal to binary and binary to decimal solutions, the questions which already we have discussed. Now, in decimal number to binary number system, first question which is given in your book 68, and the binary equivalent is this. How we will solve? We have to divide 68 by 2 repeatedly until the quotient is 0. The process is like this. First 68 divided by 2, then 34 you will get. You can see here clearly, and the remainder is 0. Now again 34 you will divide by 2, and the quotient will be 17, remainder is 0. Now the 17 will be divided by 2, and the quotient will be 8, and the remainder is 1. Like this you will divide, and the quotient finally you will get 0, and the remainder will be 1. And then after you have to read it from lower to top. Finally you will get the answer. As you can see here, from down to top I am telling 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, and you can see the answer 1 0 0 0 1 0. This process you will follow to solve all the questions. Now second question is 987. It is decimal number and the binary equivalent is this. You will follow the same process. You will divide 987 repeatedly by 2, and the division I have shown you here. You can see 987 divided by 2, you will get 493 as quotient, remainder is 1. Then 493 divided by 2, quotient is 246, remainder is 1. Like this you will divide it, and finally you will get 0. Remainders all the remainders you will mention here, and then finally you will read it from down to top, like 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, as I am showing you 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this is the answer. Third question was 657 to the base 10, and the binary equivalent is this. In this, the same process you will follow. You will divide the number by 2 repeatedly. In the process I have mentioned here, you will divide it and you will mention the remainders as shown here. Then you will read it from down to top and you will get the answer. Now the next topic is binary number into decimal number systems. In this binary number system, you have to this is binary and this is decimal. In this you have to write down the binary number system this, and you will read it from right to left. You can see here you will multiply the first rightmost digit 1 into 2 to the power 0, then second 1 into 2 to the power 1, then third 0 into 2 to the power 2, and 1 into 2 to the power 3. Then after you will evaluate it. 1 into 2 to the power will be 2 to the power 0 will be 1. So 1 into 1, then 1 into 2, and then this is 4, and then this is 8. Evaluate it and then add it, and finally you will get 11. This is the answer of this question. Next question 1100110. In this question we will repeat the same process. We will read the number from right to left. As you can see, first is 0 into 2 to the power 0, second is 1 into 2 to the power 1, third is 1 into 2 to the power 2. Like this we will go on. Then after we will evaluate these numbers. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 32. Then evaluate it and then add it. Then this 38 is the answer. Now the next question, this we have to convert in the decimal number system. Now again we will repeat the same process. We will start reading it from right to left and we will write like this. Then after we will evaluate these and then we will add, and then after addition this will be the answer. Thank you.